Oh, that's sad, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want this, cause I'm going place. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala. The last time that I
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girls, Laga, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, we're doing one of my favorite brands, which is Ashimary. So it came with this lovely packaging. When it comes to packaging, Ashimary understands the assignment. Also the hair, guys, the hair is everything. Whenever I do a collaboration with them, I'm super excited because I know that they've got some of the top tier quality when it comes to hair. And when they say pre-plucked and pre-plucked everything, I know that they mean it. Goodie bag, lovely comb that I received. I also got this one. You guys will see the function of these if you don't already know what they are for. Lovely bonnet as well. Boom, I'm wearing the Ashimary one. Guys, it came in this lovely packaging, all in the spirit of Christmas. They did this over here. I'm not sure if you can see the detailing over there. It also came with this lovely necklace. I'm guessing it's a bangle or an accessory that you can put over here. This over here, a wig cap. I've been looking for this for a long time, so specifically this part, because of when I'm putting my my wig band on my hair to protect my ears. I did not have anything like this, but now I do. So thank you to Ashimary for considering us for this. So I love it. This is a wig band and also came with the ear thing so that you protect your ears. A spoolie also came with pins, eyelashes. This is it. Just straps for the wig that I'm about to install. Also came with this lovely gown. I am a lover of silk gowns. I have a few of them though from Ashimary. Let me know if you're gonna enjoy this packaging because it is top tier and does. This is a water wave unit, you guys. It's such a beautiful one and it is 360. It is a 24-inch. I'm trying to remember everything. It also has invisible straps and it has been pre-bleached, pre-plugged and pre-cut for you. But you know what, let's see for ourselves. Are we gonna love this? Are we gonna enjoy this? The pattern already, I love that so much. I love this type of pattern. I don't like so it's water wave and there's this one that is super loose. I don't like that. I like this type of wave and it's definitely my thing. Straight out of the box, this is how it looks. So we can already see that it has been pre-plucked for us. It has been pre-cut as well. I mentioned that this is a 360 degrees, so this is how it looks at the back. This is the front over here, and when I lower it you can see the back over here. So it has this invisible strap over here. Can you see it? Yeah, you're catching it. This invisible strap over here is meant for you to sort of like adjust it to your head size, because this wig is meant to fit each and everyone who tries it on. It is a one size fits all, so definitely you guys, we're gonna try that. So once I adjust it, this is how it looks. If you have a small head, this is what you do. You just pull this and make it tighter with this over here. Just pull it a little bit to the bottom and this is how it should look. So if you have a small head, this would definitely still fit you as well. It is a one size fits all, as I've mentioned. Also came with combs, you guys. So it has 3 combs so that if you feel like it's not sitting properly on your head, you can secure it with these. So these ones are the side ones. I will take it off because I know that they're glueless wigs. Bang, I trust them. The one that I'll leave is this one over here, and this one is the one to make sure that the wig is secured on your back. So this one you'd put it like straight at the back beneath your plaits or under your wig cap so that you make sure that it is secure. And also when you're making this tighter, it gives a 360 degree. For anything, I'm going to go in with my foundation so that this matches my skin color. Otherwise it's just gonna look matte. Okay guys, so I've went in with my foundation. This is how it looks now, and it does come with an adjustable strap that it feels comfortable on your head and it does not feel like it will fall. I've also went in with these as well, so yeah, let's install it. It was actually my first time trying to use these stickers, you guys, and I think I did not do so bad. I thought I would battle with them, but you know what, I think I did pretty much okay. but the middle part, I thought maybe let me take them out because it just looks a bit shiny for me, like in front. So I decided to take the front parts out and leave the side parts rather. Now that those are gone, let's try and fit this wig properly on so that it looks nice and it looks like it's melted. I had to cut it on the sides, and that's because it was a bit big for me. If you don't know how to cut your wig, check out videos here on YouTube, because you don't want to do the mistake of cutting your wig incorrectly. Once the sides were cut out of the wig, I felt like it looked much nicer and much prettier as well. Let me show you that this wig is still a glueless wig. There you go, a check. And this is how you put the back one like under your wig or at your plaids. Just tuck that in so that it gives 360 degrees. Make that tight on the sides and hide it so that people can't see it. And after you're done, you guys, your wigs should look something a little like this. Let me know what you think about this one. Also, another trick, if I've never given you any trick when it comes to wigs, if you want to rock your glueless wig but you wanted to give a scalp, go in with your mousse on top or in front so that it sort of like lays flat, and then go in with your headband, and then after like let's say 10-20 minutes, take it off and it should give scalp. I also went in with a bit of water, you guys, so that I can show you how the wig looks when it is wet, or wet water wave, something like that. This is how it is. It looks super beautiful. It looks super nice. So after taking it out, this is how the install looks. Can you see? It looks like it has been melted with glue, or maybe with glue spray, but it hasn't. Just going in with my foundation over there so that my wig matches my skin type. Okay guys, this is the first hairstyle that I've done with this wig. I want to show you a few hairstyles that you can also do so that you can see that the wig is quite secured and it does not feel like it's gonna fall. For me, the hairstyle that I love so much with this wig is a high bun, and that's because I feel like I look good in it. The water wave one, I also look good in it, but I feel like after some time the wetness dries off and then it just becomes dry, and I don't like that look. So for me, this looks nice. If I could keep it much longer, I would. Let us do a glueless check so that you can see that it is still glueless. It is a glueless wig, as I've mentioned, and it looks like it has been stuck on with glue. I love that so much. Moving on to the next hairstyle. This one, I was just taking my chances because I've never done like something like this. But I thought, you know what? I've got nothing to lose. Let me try it and let's see. If it does not look good, I'm so sorry. But anyway, comment down below. What do you think about this hairstyle? Does it look good on me? Does it not? But I feel like it's cute. It's cutesy. But do let me know.
Talk to me nice. Talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes. Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, feels so nice. We time. You, I know
Anyway, you guys, that is it for this video. This unit is quite lovely. I am enjoying it. It's super versatile. You can style it however that you want to style it, and the lovely thing is that it is a glueless wig and it's sitting super nice on my hair. You guys saw the styles that I did for you, so yeah, you can do whatever style that you feel like you want to do, and literally you just have tapes on the side. I just made a mistake by putting all the tapes around my head, but you guys saw it when I removed it. But yeah, this is it, you guys. This is the lovely install. It's a beautiful install. I love this unit so much. I feel like it is definitely giving. Tomorrow I am going to a wine estate, so which means I am gonna look super nice because you cannot tell me anything. I feel like I look gorgeous. Let me know what you think. Check out my description box. There'll definitely be a discount code over there. Utilize it, you guys. Use it for this unit. It is a go-to. It is a beautiful install. It is pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-cut for you. What more do you want? And also it is a 360, which means we do not need to go to the salon anymore if we want to install wigs like this. So definitely check it out. I am super obsessed. I am loving this. It is gorgeous. It is beautiful. I will definitely see you in my next upload, my people. Love you loads. Ashimary, thank you so much for this unit. Child, it looks good. Bye.
I don't want pull no trigger. I just want